Ever tried to jump into a clutch round of Valorant only to be hit with that dreaded server connection failed message and the infamous error code VAN? Oh, it's the absolute worst feeling, isn't it? You've got your squad waiting, your crosshair ready, and then nothing. Just that annoying pop-up telling you your connection to the Valorant servers is cut, but it can be super frustrating, especially when you're just trying to get some games in with your friends or push that rank. But don't you worry, because you are definitely not alone, and more importantly, this isn't a permanent game ender. In this video we're going to dive deep into exactly what VAN means and, more importantly, walk through a bunch of straightforward, effective solutions to get you back in the game and clutching those rounds in no time. Get ready to banish that error code for good. First things first, before you start tearing your hair out, let's check if the problem is even on your end. Sometimes the Valorant servers themselves might be having a rude day, which means everyone's getting VAN. Hop over to the official Riot Games service status page or their Twitter and see if there are any ongoing issues reported. If the servers are down, there's really nothing to do but grab a snack and wait for Riot to work their magic. This one might sound too simple, but trust me, it's a miracle worker for so many. Connection was just like restarting giving your internet router and modem a full power cycle can clear up all sorts of temporary network glitches. Unplug them both from the power outlet, wait about 2 seconds to a minute, and then plug them back in. Once everything's reconnected and showing green lights, try launching Valorant again. You might be surprised. Your computer often stores a map of internet addresses called the cache, and sometimes this map gets corrupted or outdated, causing connection issues like VAN. We're going to flush that old cache and optionally create a more reliable server. Open command prompt as an administrator, type config flushes and hit enter for a quick refresh. If that doesn't work, consider switching to public servers like Google's, entering your network adapter settings, which can often provide a more stable connection. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software, while doing their job of protecting you, can get a little overzealous and accidentally block Valorant from connecting to its servers. First, try temporarily disabling your antivirus and Windows Defender firewall just for a moment to test, then turn them back on. If that fixes, you'll need to add Valorant and Vanguard as exceptions or allowed apps in your security software settings to ensure they play nice without blocking your game.